Hello Bacha Party, how are you all? Today we are going to see different ways for food preservation. So before moving ahead, first we need to understand what is food preservation. So food preservation is a way to prevent food spoilage. Food spoilage means when your food gets spoiled, okay, that we can prevent through food preservation. So what happen in this process? In this process will prevent the microorganism from growing and multiplying so as not to spoil the food. So what is microorganism? Microorganisms are nothing but very tiny organism which spoil our food, and the process of food preservation will allow us to prevent our food from this microorganism. Is it clear, Bacha Party? What is food preservation? Moving ahead, we have different ways of food preservation. Namely, they are drying, freezing, and salting. In the process of drying, the removal of moisture or water in the food done. Okay, now in freezing the food is preserved in such a place that where temperature is very low, as we use freeze, isn't it? In our home there is a refrigerator. What does it do? It prevents food from getting spoiled. And lastly, salting. With the help of salt we can prevent many type of other foods item. Okay, so we will discuss this in detail. What is drying, what is freezing, and what is salting.
Drying can be done in a natural or artificial way. Natural drying is done by placing food in a flat container and leaving it in the sun to dry. In artificial drying, food is put inside an equipment that uses artificial heated air with controlled temperature like oven. As mentioned earlier, salting uses salts as its main ingredients. Dry and wet or brine salting are the two types of salting. Putting layers of salt in a jar, or pot, or a tray to bring out the water content of food is a form of dry salting. In wet or brine salting, the process of preserving food is done by soaking the raw ingredients in salt and water solution.
Freezing. Fruits and vegetables to be stored must be fresh and free from spots or bruises. Washing the fruits and vegetables thoroughly is important. You can peel and cut food according to your preferred size. For meat, poultry, and seafood it is important to check its freshness. Why is preserving food important? It extends the shelf life of food by preventing spoilage. It keeps the nutrients and texture of food. Seasonal fruits are made available whole year round. It can be a source of income. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.
Keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and do not forget to be a mask and take good care of your health.